Think math.
Everyone memorizes the quadratic formula. But where does that complicated shape actually come from? There is b squared minus 4ac under a square root, a minus b in front, and a 2a underneath. In fact, the formula did not fall out of the sky. It is simply the result of one single technique, completing the square. Start with the easy case. If x squared equals 9, then x is plus or minus 3. When there is nothing but a square, you just take the square root, and you are done. But what about x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0? The linear term gets in the way, and that trick no longer works because the x is scattered in two different places. So we gather the scattered x into a single chunk. That is completing the square. Looking at x squared plus 4x, think of x plus 2 all squared. Expanding that gives x squared plus 4x plus 4, so there is an extra 4. That means the original is x plus 2 squared minus 4 plus 3. Tidying up, x plus 2 squared equals 1. Now there is only a square left, so it solves immediately. X plus 2 is plus or minus 1, which means x is negative 1 or negative 3. Now do exactly the same thing with letters. Start from a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. First divide both sides by a, so the leading term is 1. Then take half of the number attached to x, which is b over 2a, square it, and add and subtract it. The left side then becomes x plus b over 2a, all squared. It is the identical procedure we just did with numbers. Tidying the right side gives b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Take the square root of both sides, and x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now move that b over 2a across to the right, and the formula we all know appears exactly. The b squared minus 4ac under the root and the 2a in the denominator both arose on their own from completing the square. The quadratic formula is not a sentence to memorize. It is completing the square, done once in advance. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.